Neo-Beta, the robotic chef, a culinary revolution in the making. Gordon Ramsay? He's old news now because Neo-Beta is here to change the game. Trust me, I love watching Gordon Ramsay and his shows. Hell's Kitchen, anybody? But this robot chef seems to have taken over the cooking and made a name for itself. So I am a little surprised, honestly, more than surprised actually. In an epic viral moment, Neo-Beta was in a showdown with YouTube chef Nick DiGiovanni. Together, they cooked up some seriously mouth-watering recipes that could change how we think about cooking at home. The cook-off that changed the game. In a video shot near 1X's headquarters in Sunnyvale, California, DiGiovanni faced off against the final boss of cooking, Neo-Beta. Dressed in a custom Chef Neo coat, Neo-Beta showcased its ability to fry steaks, including a skill called butter basting, a technique even some humans try and fail to master. And here's the kicker. DiGiovanni made a joke that Neo-Beta single-handedly outclassed legendary chefs like Gordon Ramsay and Uncle Rogger. While that's still under debate, you cannot deny the robot's shocking performance. How it all came together. Reached out to DiGiovanni to explore a future where robots could make meals in our kitchens. After brainstorming ideas, they decided on a cook-off to show Neo-Beta's skills. The stakes, were pretty high. 1X prepared many cuts of meat in case the robot failed the task at first. Surprisingly, Neo-Beta perfected the process on its first try, with minor faults like knocking some olive oil. It seasoned, flipped, and even removed the steak from the pan, proving that robots are more than just kitchen gadgets. They might actually replace chefs in the future. The reality behind the hype? While Neo-Beta's performance was amazing, it wasn't entirely autonomous. A 1X representative controlled the robot through teleoperation to help the demonstration go smoothly. The robot couldn't turn on the burner, but the company says it's an issue with its software that can be easily resolved. Still, for safety reasons, the first Neo-Beta users won't get full cooking autonomy. Instead, the robot will first focus on safer, simpler tasks until it's tested fully. Beyond the kitchen, what else can Neo-Beta do? Cooking is just the start of Neo's talents. Here are some of its capabilities. Speed and strength. The robot can walk at a speed of up to 1.12 meres and lift about 70 kilograms, though it can only carry 20 kilograms for its tasks. Operating time. Its battery life is from 2 to 4 hours, which is enough for some household chores or a quick burger. Neo-Beta's potential is far beyond cooking. Imagine a future where it helps with household cleaning, heavy lifting, or even caregiving tasks. What the internet is saying. As expected, the internet went wild over this collaboration. Some comments from different platforms are as follows. Finally, someone who doesn't complain when you ask for a well-done steak. Uncle Rogger better watch his back. Chef Neo is coming for his fried rice. I trust a robot more than my roommate in the kitchen, TBH. A step toward robotic chefs in every home. 1X plans for a world where humanoid robots like Neo-Beta become kitchen companions for us. This demonstration showed the potential for robots to do complex cooking tasks with accuracy as well as style. However, challenges still remain. Neo-Beta's focus on teleoperation and its limited battery life means there's still work to be done. With rapid growth in AI and robotics, it's only a matter of time before robots like Neo-Beta change home cooking forever. Honestly, I can't wait to have a robot make dinner for me. I can't cook to save my life. Closing thoughts. Neo-Beta's steak frying debut wasn't just a fun and cool YouTube moment. It was a look into what robotics may be like in the future. So what do you think? Would you trust a robot to make you dinner? Or are you still on Team Humans? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more updates on AI robots.